Hi everyone, today I will be changing the oil on this 2011 Porsche Cayenne Turbo. First thing we have to do is remove this plastic cover. Those are held on by a series of 10mm bolts. There's about 13 in total, so all of these bolts right here. There's a few more here. This is our oil pan right here, and there's the drain plug. That plug is an 8mm. I try to change oil as often as I can. Last time the oil was changed on this vehicle was at 183,000 kilometers. And I think I'm just up to 189,000. So less than 6,000 kilometers, which is about 4,000 miles. But that was back in October, so about 6 months ago. I just want to take a look around on the undercarriage. Now, it looks quite shiny in a lot of areas, and it looks like it's covered in oil. And it actually is. That's actually fluid film. So I apply fluid film pretty much every time I change the oil on this car. And that's why there's very little rust. A little bit of rust I see is right on the edge. But there really is hardly any rust on this Porsche. And I do drive it during the winter. That fluid film, I spray it in the frames, inside the holes. That's why it looks like it's got a pretty bad oil leak, but this is just the fluid film. Okay, I'm gonna get started on removing the oil filter, and the housing for the filter is a 36mm, which is located right there. So you're gonna need a 36mm socket to remove that housing for the oil filter. And that's how you remove the oil filter. See? Nothing on my gloves. And that's how you remove the oil filter without getting any oil on your hands. You gotta hold the housing in there, let it drip, and then pull it out. All right, so I'll let this drain for a good 20 minutes, and I'll come back and we'll install the new filter, and we'll torque down the drain plug, and then we'll fill it with some fresh oil. Well, it's been over an hour, and you can see it's still dripping some oil. I think that's pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and bolt this back up, and we're gonna torque this down to 22 foot-pounds. That should do it. Now onto the oil filter. Before installing the oil filter, I like to clean oil filter housing. I'm gonna clean that up, and then I'm gonna remove that O-ring, and I'm gonna pre-fill this canister with oil. There's that. Here's my new oil filter, and it comes with the new gasket. Now I'm going to try to pre-fill this as much as I can. I'm just going to take some of that oil. Let's apply it to the outside. Kind of lubricate that seal. So let's go ahead and put this on. The oil that we're going run with is Mobil 1 0W40 full synthetic. Okay, so that should be pretty close. These Porsches don't have a dipstick. It's electronic, so you have to let the car run, actually drive for a good 20 minutes before it reads the oil level. I'll take it for a short drive, check the oil level. Last thing I'm going to do is document the date and the mileage, and this is only for me. This just helps me to keep track of the maintenance on all my vehicles. 187,949 kilometers. And today's date is Saturday, April 26, 2025. Like I said, this is just for me.